Welcome back, everyone. Financial products are a key part of our everyday lives, whether it's a savings account, credit card, investment, or loan. But what many people don't realize is that these products often come with hidden fees that can quietly drain your finances. Some of these fees are unexpected because they're buried in fine print or framed in ways that sound harmless. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through 15 hidden fees you need to watch out for and explain why they're sometimes unexpected. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge to protect your finances and make smarter financial decisions. Let's dive right in. This is Wealthvelocity. Here you create, protect, and grow your wealth fast. Number 1. Account maintenance fees. Many bank accounts, particularly checking and savings accounts, come with maintenance fees that are charged monthly. You may assume your account is free, especially if you opened it during a promotional offer. However, the fee often kicks in after a few months if you don't meet specific requirements. These small, recurring fees can add up to hundreds of dollars per year if you're not careful. Look for accounts that offer zero maintenance fees or meet the balance requirement to have the fees waived. Online banks often have no monthly fees. Number 2. ATM Withdrawal Fees. Using an ATM outside your bank's network often incurs a fee from both the ATM operator and your own bank. Some people assume their bank covers these fees or forget to check whether the ATM belongs to their network. A simple cash withdrawal could cost you $3 to $5 or more per transaction. Use your bank's ATMs or look for accounts that reimburse out-of-network ATM fees. Number 3. Overdraft fees. Overdraft fees occur when you spend more than you have in your account, and the bank covers the difference. Some banks enroll customers in overdraft protection by default, making it seem like a helpful service when it can result in fees up to $35 per transaction. Overdraft fees can stack up quickly if you make multiple transactions after your balance goes negative. Opt out of overdraft protection, link your account to a savings account for coverage, or set up low balance alerts. Number 4. Early withdrawal penalties. Certain financial products, such as certificates of deposit or CDs and retirement accounts, charge penalties for withdrawing funds before a set period. The penalties are often explained in legal language that many people overlook when signing up. Early withdrawal penalties can result in lost interest or a percentage of your withdrawn amount, significantly reducing your funds. Plan your deposits according to your liquidity needs and avoid early withdrawals unless absolutely necessary. Number 5. Credit card foreign transaction fees. When you use your credit card abroad or make purchases from foreign merchants, you may be charged a foreign transaction fee, typically 1 to 3% of the transaction amount. Some travelers assume they'll only pay the exchange rate difference and forget to check if their card applies a foreign fee. These fees can add up quickly if you're making frequent purchases overseas. Choose credit cards that waive foreign transaction fees or use travel-friendly cards. Number 6. Balance transfer fees. A balance transfer fee is charged when you move debt from one credit card to another, often as part of a lower interest promotional offer. Balance transfer offers often highlight low promotional interest rates, but mention the fees in the fine print. These fees typically range from 3 to 5% of the transferred balance, adding up for large balances. Look for credit cards that offer no balance transfer fees, or calculate whether the interest savings outweigh the fee. Number 7. Loan origination fees. Loan origination fees are upfront charges for processing a loan, common with personal loans, mortgages, and auto loans. Borrowers may not realize that the fee is deducted from the loan proceeds, meaning they receive less than the loan amount they applied for. These fees can range from 1% to 5% of the loan amount, making loans more expensive than anticipated. Shop around for lenders that offer loans with zero origination fees or negotiate to reduce the fee. Number 8. Prepayment penalties. Some loans, particularly mortgages and auto loans, charge a fee if you pay off your loan early. Many borrowers assume paying off a loan early will be rewarded, not penalized. Prepayment penalties can discourage you from saving on interest by paying down your debt faster. Read your loan agreement carefully and choose lenders that do not charge prepayment penalties. Number 9. Investment management fees. If you invest in mutual funds, index funds, or work with a financial advisor, you're likely paying an annual management fee. The percentage may seem small, like 1%, but it compounds over time, reducing your long-term gains. Even a 1% fee can cost you thousands of dollars in lost returns over the course of several years. Opt for low-cost index funds, or consider using robo-advisors with lower fees. Number 10. Expense ratios in mutual funds. Expense ratios represent the annual cost of operating a mutual fund or ETF, expressed as a percentage of the fund's assets. Many investors overlook the expense ratio and only focus on the fund's past performance. High expense ratios can eat into your returns, especially in actively managed funds. Choose funds with low expense ratios, ideally under 0.25% for index funds. Number 11. Subscription service auto-renewals. Many financial services such as credit monitoring or premium financial tools auto-renew and charge you automatically. Companies often make it easy to sign up but difficult to cancel, burying renewal policies in lengthy agreements. You may end up paying for services you no longer need or forgot you subscribed to. Set reminders to review subscriptions before renewal dates and cancel services you no longer use. Number 12. Inactivity fees. Some bank accounts, brokerage accounts, or prepaid cards charge fees if your account remains inactive for a certain period. If you're not actively using an account, you may forget it exists until the fees drain your balance. Inactivity fees can quietly drain your account, sometimes leading to account closure. Keep your accounts active with periodic small transactions or close accounts you no longer need. Number 13. Wire transfer fees. Sending or receiving money via wire transfer often incurs a fee, especially for international transactions. Some people assume the sender pays the fee, but the receiving bank may also charge a fee. Domestic wire transfers can cost $15 to $30, while international transfers can cost $40 or more. Use low-cost money transfer services like Wise or Zelle when possible. Number 14. Paper statement fees. Many financial institutions charge fees if you choose to receive paper statements instead of electronic ones. Customers often don't realize they've been opted into paper statements until they see the fee. This fee may seem small but is easily avoidable. Switch to e-statements through your bank's online portal. Number 15. Currency conversion fees. Currency conversion fees are charged when your bank or credit card provider converts a foreign currency transaction. Some financial institutions bundle the fee into the exchange rate, making it difficult to notice. These fees can add up quickly, especially if you make frequent international purchases. Use credit cards with no foreign transaction fees and check the exchange rate before making transactions abroad. There you have it, 15 hidden fees to watch out for in financial products. By being aware of these fees, you can save yourself a lot of money and make more informed financial decisions. Which of these fees surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more financial insights, and share this with someone who could benefit from knowing about these hidden fees. Thanks for watching, and we see you in the next video with more money in your pocket.